Wake up, Buttercup. You got 7 days to stop being a human sieve and start memorizing like a freaking robot. Oh, you think I'm joking? Try me. If you're still using I forgot as an excuse, you're not lazy, you're just bad at life. But guess what? In 1 week, you'll either be a memory ninja or the same forgetful potato you've always been. Let's go. Clock's ticking. Day 1. Read the damn thing 4 to 6 times. No vibes, no music, no scrolling. Burn it into your skull like your life depends on it, because it does. Then analyze it. Break it down like a crime scene. What does it mean? Why does it matter? How does it connect? Still lost? Use AI. Take a picture. Tell ChatGPT. Explain this like I'm 5. Then make it quiz you until your brain begs for mercy. Write your own notes in your own words. No copying. Own it. Day 2. Review those notes 2 to 3 times minimum. Still don't get it? Do it again. This isn't daycare. You're training your brain like it's going into battle. Make that info as familiar as your own name. Anything less is disrespectful to your goals. Day 3. Optional, but don't be soft. If you're confident, skip it. If you're shaky, run a light review session. This ain't a spa day. It's brain boot camp. Day 4. Time to go deep. Morning review, night review. This time, question everything. Challenge it, connect it, break it down again. You're not just memorizing, you're engraving it in stone. Day 5. Turn your notes into audio. Use text to speech. Now listen while walking, while eating, even in the damn shower. Let that info marinate in your brain 24/7. You wanted passive learning? There it is. Now stop wasting it. Day 6. Teach it out loud. No notes, no help. Explain it to your cat, your plant, your mirror. If you can't teach it, you don't know it. And if you don't know it, you're not ready. Fix it. Day 7. Final test. No notes, no Google, no crying. Simulate pressure. Set a timer. Yell the answers. Write them down. If you're not sweating, you're not learning. Can't handle the pressure now? Good luck under exam lights. Push through or stay stuck. Done. 7 days to transform your memory. But let's be honest, 90% of you won't even try. You'll blame time or stress or ADHD. Winners adapt. Losers whine. Still here? Prove me wrong? Do the damn work. Memory isn't magic, it's repetition. Get to work.